Hey guys, I'm here today to both test out my new camera on a TV screen to show you its visual capabilities in there. Here we can start by zooming in on all these letters. And while it may seem kind of weird to look at it this way, realize that remember that a TV screen is not a truly smooth image. TV screens are all these pixels, or at least the kind I have is. And so you're seeing all these pixels being resolved. So even if the general picture you're trying to see behind everything is a little blurry, realize what this camera is actually doing is focusing on the real image, which is in fact the TV screen and the pixels on it. So it's both a good thing and a bad thing. Anyway, I'm also going to show you one of my all-time favorite mechs I've made for this game. And this is it. And right now he's kind of got like I don't know how to describe it, kind of like a Rei's Zaku color scheme from Gundam Seed Destiny. That's not what really inspired it, but it's like white and very, 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 very light purples and blues. And just kind of like a shining, pearlish, shimmering kind of color scheme here. This is the head. That's the core. It also has an exceed orbit. Oops. These are the arms. The legs. This is the type of booster it uses. This is the FCS. I believe that's the targeting system. It's better for short-range combat, but I find that works for this mech's fighting style. The generator is this one, which I think I use in a lot of different mechs because it just has very good stats. This is the radiator. I have no inside equipment. The extensions are a missile interlink system that works with the missile system on the back. It's a micro missile launcher. On the other shoulder I just have a radar. I don't remember if that's just because of the head requiring the radar to work, or like the head has no radar, or what exactly, but I decided to put this on here for some reason. The right arm unit, a machine gun, and the left arm unit, another machine gun. No hanger units, and we're back at the head. Here are the stats. Oh, just of the head, but no, here's my stats. Let's get this centered again. It's rated a C in performance. But what does a random computerized generic grading system know about actual combat data, right? So, let's just find out.
Main system. Engaging test mode.
So anybody can have missiles, right?
Target destruction verified. Test mode disengaged.
This guy is an absolute god when it comes to destroying things fast. It overwhelms you with missiles, it overwhelms you with bullets. It overwhelms you with speed and maneuverability. It's very easy to control once you get the hang of it. Not like some of the floating leg types where you have to really counter the excess glide motions. This guy is an adept AC killer. But because I have not played this in a long time, I am going to start off with my guinea pig. I always test my AC creations on this guy, Cast Off. And if I didn't mention this before, this is Armored Core Nexus for PS2. Sorry, I have short-term memory. Ooh. That won't happen again. So there you have it. That wasn't even 12 seconds or so. And that's a pretty decently well-armed opponent. I mean, its armor points are probably in the 7,000s at least. I mean, we'll find out soon. Because now you're going to see what it looks like on the opposite end of this beating. Where is his life? Look at it go down, man. Yes. Lose indeed. Let's have one more replay, just as a cinematic view. First we'll see the enemy's life points. Yeah, 8,000. That's pretty high. Look at that stream of bullets. I love this mech. Ah, yes. And there I am, standing like a shimmering god. So anyway, there's my mech, and there's my camera's ability to photograph a TV screen. So until the next time, catch you later.